So hello everyone, in today's video we are going to be solving this problem. So this problem involves combinatorics and a little of number theory in order to solve it completely. So let's get started. First of all, let me tell you about the divisibility rule of 3. So suppose you have a positive integer n, and you know n is a multiple of 3 if the sum of the digits of n is divisible by 3. So 3 divides n if something like that. So for example, we have 237 here, and then to check if 3 does divide 237, we just need to sum the digits of 237, and the result is 12. Since 3 can divide 12, thus 3 also divides 237. And that's how you use the divisibility rule of 3. So this is the first objective. We need to find how many 5-digit positive integers are there, which are divisible by 3. So using that divisibility rule, we can observe that the first 5-digit number, which is divisible by 3, is this one. Since 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2, that will result to 3, and 3 does divide 3, so it's true. And then for the next number, you're just going to add 3. Something like that. And let's keep going until the last one. What's the last one? Well, this one is pretty easy to notice that it's 999 and 999, something like that. Now we can actually view this as an arithmetic sequence where the first term is 10,002, and then this is the last term. So now we want to find how many of these numbers are there. So let's use the well-known arithmetic sequence formula. This one. And you will get that n is 30,000. Okay, now the first objective is completely finished. So here's our second objective. We need to find the number of 5-digit positive integers that can be divided by 3 yet doesn't contain 6 as its digit. So for the first thing we're going to do, we're going to use the filling slot technique. So let's draw 5 lines representing 5 spots. Yes. So this is actually the spot for the 5 digits, which will later construct a 5-digit number. And that now we want to see how many numbers are there which are possible to be filled in to the first spot, which is the 10,000 spot. Okay, so obviously 0 is not allowed, and then 6 is also not allowed. So we will start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 6, 7, 8, and 9. So in total, there are 8 possibilities, and for this one, 0 is now allowed, but still we exclude 6. So then we'll have 9 possibilities, the same with this one and the same with this one. It doesn't matter if there's 0 right over here because it's actually allowed. And then for the last spot, you're not going to do just and fill it with 9. Because remember, we want that the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So let's divide into cases. Case 1. And let me call this with x1, x2, x3, x4, and x5. Okay? First case. When the first 4 spot here, the sum of the first 4 spot will give us a remainder of 0 when divided by 3. Later on, x5 can be 3. Sorry, let's start with 0. 0 is also possible for x5. 3. 6 is not possible. So, there are only 0, 3, and 9. Okay? Second case. x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 gives us a remainder of 1 when divided by 3. So then, later on, x5 can be 1, 5, or even 8. Yep. Third case, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 will give us a remainder of 2 when divided by 3. And here, later on, the possible numbers for x5 are 2, and then 4 and 7. 7 is possible. Yeah, 7 is possible. Okay, so we're done with these 3 cases. Okay, we're done. And notice that each cases always gives us an outcome of 3 possible numbers for the spot of x5. See? Let me highlight this. 3 possible outcomes, 3 possible outcomes, and 3 possible outcomes. So it doesn't matter which case we choose to happen. They always give us a possible outcome of 3 possible numbers. So then we can just do it like this, multiplied by 3. Because it will always gives us an outcome of 3 possibilities. And later on, this thing will result to this dude right here. Okay, we're completely finished with the second objective. Now the final step, we just need to subtract 30,000 with the previous result we got in the second objective. And later on, this thing will result to this dude right over here. So this is our final answer. Yeah. So I think that's for today's video. If you're satisfied with this video, please leave a like and comment for more suggestions. Also, subscribe for more awesome math videos. And of course, keep doing math for fun.